Romeo, where art thou, Romeo? Oh, Juliet, I am stuck in this swimming poolet with
With the croquet.
a crocodile who this poolet was just empty and now it has filled it with rainette water it. Enough for 2 more crocodiles to swim in it. What about you, Juliet? Oh, Romeo, did you just say crocodiles? I aren't out of here. And I would rather listen to an episode of Poppet Conversation.
where the doggeth don't die, death.
Oh, dude, I kid you not. Another episode of Pop Conversation. My name is Nansha Shakadwan bhai.
Srinaneja.
Kirti.
And the thing is, when we watched the Tu Ya Main, Kirti and I watched Tu Ya Main, and the entire movie, she was loving it. The moment the dog died, she's crying.
She's like, this is the best.
Tearing up and all, dude. She literally teared up when the dog died.
क्या बात कर
Yeah.
रही हो?
Yeah, because they spent too much time showing the dog. अब मेरी emotions जुड़ गई थी उस dog से. वो बेचारा फंस गया था वहाँ पे.
She's tearing up right now, dude.
और वो ऐसे oh.
Baby, relax. She teared up. Oh my god.
देखो आप आधे घंटे से इंट्रो ढूंढ रहे थे, ये रही इंट्रो.
मुझे क्यों याद दिलाया तुमने?
मुझे क्या पता था ये होता है.
वो असली डॉग नहीं था.
Yeah, bro.
नहीं मतलब डॉग असली था पर उसने वो क्रोकोडाइल असली नहीं था. वाओ, I
Yeah.
thought I should say डॉग असली नहीं है but क्रोकोडाइल.
Relax, baby. The crocodile just ate air. The green screen dog. Isn't that crazy?
इतना हॉरिबल क्रोकोडाइल बनाए थे वो लोग ग्रीन स्क्रीन
Bro,
पे.
the crocodile's mouth looked very weird.
Bro,
And they kept the repeated thing they kept showing is आँख खुल रही है ऐसा कर रहा है crocodile हर 2 मिनट में.
movie में.
Yeah, dude. Man.
अरे
Oh,
ब्रो
man.
मैं सोच रहा था क्रॉक्स पहन कर आऊंगा ये एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए.
Bro, why did you not? Why did you not?
अरे यार रास्ते में याद आया कि आज तो हम तू या मैं पे रिकॉर्ड करने
Bhai,
वाले हैं.
if a crocodile eats a person who's wearing Crocs,
It's
that's
cannibalism.
Just, no, that's
That's
this
Epstein
is
shit.
revenge,
अच्छा,
dude.
oh, revenge. Oh.
That's Dhurandhar the Revenge. That's basically it.
Bro, they are calling it the toxic and Dhurandhar clash. They are calling it Dhuroxic.
I mean, we,
नहीं आ रही इंदौर.
bro, we already made.
Postpone हो गई.
नहीं.
हाँ.
Toxic postpone हो गई?
हाँ.
I think you're right.
No,
I think you're
no.
right. Okay,
आज-
one way to find out.
आज ही तो टीजर आया टॉक्सिक का.
उसमें डेट है?
नहीं,
वो नहीं आ रही धुरंधर के साथ.
मेरे ख्याल से तो आ रही है ब्रो.
Has Toxic movie been postponed?
सोचो वो कबीर सिंह के बारे में बता दे.
There is absolutely no truth to the rumors about Toxic being postponed.
your opinion is wrong.
Sorry.
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 Shakespeare is turning in
Yeah,
his grave.
Don't you mean Shakespeare? Oh, in his grave. Okay, stop.
We need to stop.
I swear. Stop it. Oh, dude, before we get into the film, we need to give away, do the giveaway. The
Oh,
winners.
yeah.
Yes.
Oh, dude. So the thing is, guys, for the last about a month and a half, 2 months almost.
A month, yes.
A month, more than a month, we haven't done these
Last
giveaways.
tickets, I think we gave out for Dhurandhar, dude. Fuck.
For Dhurandhar.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
wow,
guess.
dude. Nice. And weren't we gonna give away for O Romeo and Tu Ya Main?
या अभी क्या जो अभी हम गिव अवे करने वाले हैं, जो भी विनर्स आएंगे उनको हम दो ईच करने वाले हैं. नॉर्मली हम 1 ईच करते हैं.
Correct.
1 फ्रॉम सॉल्टेड एंड 1 फ्रॉम कैरमल, बट बिकॉज यू नॉट डन दिस इन मोर देन अ मंथ, तो वी गोना गिव आउट 2 ईच. 2 फ्रॉम सॉल्टेड, 2 फ्रॉम कैरमल.
वाह यार, क्या हम अमीर है क्या?
नहीं भाई, जो पिछले वाले पैसे बचे हैं वो खत्म होने वाले
Oh,
हैं.
अच्छा, okay. उससे पहले के पूरे खत्म हो जाए. Let's give away.
Let's give away.
Yes. All right.
Yes.
For those of you who don't know, basically you can become members of the channel. Please consider doing so. You'll get some additional episodes, additional perks. Part of those perks is we give out free tickets to movies that are playing in theaters right now, and you can avail this if you win the spin the wheel.
Spin the wheel, yes.
That's how we do the lucky draw for the tiers. The first tier is the salted tier, and the second tier is the caramel tier. The salted tier gives you 1 free ticket, and the caramel tier gets you 2. The first one, salted tier, ka spin the wheel. That is, we're announcing who the winner for this week is.
Drum roll, Ziga, drum
The
roll.
first winner for salted popcorn is Neha Bhale. Welcome, Neha Bhale. Welcome,
Whoa,
welcome.
Neha, bro.
Okay,
Congratulations.
that's Neha Bhale done. Let's do one
Yes,
more. In
you
salted.
get 1 free ticket, by the way.
Yeah, but the thing is, we have, instead of doing for one instance of this, we have to do 2 because we haven't done it in about a month, and we're
Yes.
supposed to do this about every fortnightly or so. Just add. So sorry.
कितना ही बोल के कवर अप कर
Same,
लेना नहीं है प्रो वर्जन हमारे पास.
Let's go. Salted,
पैसे जा रहे हैं.
salted second spin. The second person to win in the salted popcorn tier another free ticket is
फिर से नेहा.
Oh yes.
Neha Bhale again. What? I can't make this out. Is there something wrong with this spin the wheel?
अब एक और बार ऐड
Bro,
करना पड़ेगा.
अब एक और बार अब करना ही पड़ेगा.
एक बार और बकवास करनी पड़ेगी.
ओह चलो देखते हैं अब. Let's see. अगर एक और बार नेहा भले आ गया
भाई
फिर तो प्रॉब्लम है.
आपने विनर नेहा ऑलरेडी तो नहीं सिलेक्ट
नहीं,
किया.
I don't, ऐसे मैंने तो कभी नहीं किया ऐसा. पर this one.
एक और बार नेहा नहीं.
मानस पॉल 2511. मानस पॉल को हम पहले जिता चुके क्या?
नहीं ब्रो. मानस पॉल मनन पॉल.
मानस पॉल.
Manas Paul 2511. Bro,
And
you
Neha Bhale.
And Neha Bhale. Guys, please
Congratulations.
reach out to us on Instagram or wherever you want to reach out to us.
Yeah, on Instagram.
On Instagram. And कौन से शहर में हो, कौन से देश में हो. And when I say कौन से देश में, we actually have given out tickets in Australia and
Yeah.
in other parts of the world. So अगर आप कहीं पे भी हो, just drop me a DM and अपने पास के थिएटर बताओ, हम लोग वहाँ से book
हाँ,
कर लेंगे.
and now caramel tier.
Caramel, yes.
Alright, caramel tier. First spin is
कैरमल के जो विनर है उनको 2 मूवी टिकट्स मिलती हैं.
2 मूवी टिकट्स. Yes. यार हम 6 मूवी टिकट्स दे रहे हैं यार.
अंतरिक्ष को अनाउंस करने के बाद अंदर से रियलाइज हो रहा है कि
Avinash 6785. You win 2 free tickets to a movie
Yo, Avinash.
of your choice. Let's do it again. One more time. Spinning again. And
एक और बार अविनाश.
it is
सोचो इसे भी नेहा भले आ जाए.
Shubham Bhardwaj. Yes, Shubham Bhardwaj. Congrats. So 2 tickets Shubham, 2 tickets to
अविनाश.
Avinash Paul.
Avinash. Manas
मानस
Paul.
इज सॉल्टेड.
Salted. Oh, sorry
Oh
guys.
my
You
God.
get it. You put it here somewhere on screen. So there's no confusion.
यार बहुत सारी हो गई ना तो हम लोग कंफ्यूज हो गए. इतना गिव अवे तो हमने लाइफ में नहीं किया जितना हमने इस
Actually,
episode
वो
में
लास्ट
कर
2
दिया.
winners को नहीं देते हो. बहुत confusing हो गया.
बहुत confusing हो गया.
All right, cool. So, guys, a lot of interesting things to talk about in this episode.
Yes, and let's start that episode with the great coffee,
Oh!
which has been the talk of the episode.
Bro.
Sorry guys, मैं लिंक कमेंट कर रही थी बट मुझे पता नहीं था लिंक डिलीट हो जाता
Yeah,
है.
so for those who don't know, or someone who missed our previous episode, and on the last episode, we talked about just before the recording, Kirti had given us these banger coffees that she made.
भाई आई थिंक बहुत ब्रीफली बात करी हमने कॉफी के बारे में. एंड देर आर ओनली 2 segments of comments that there are in the previous episode. एक तो ये है कि आई एग्री विद अंतरिक्ष.
That's
और
it.
दूसरा
No, that's 95% of the comments is Snail sucks. Antriksh is the only one who's right.
this person
And people are surprised. Antriksh makes sense or
No,
sometimes.
they are like never thought this day would
Never
come.
thought I would have to agree with
Antriksh.
Antriksh.
मैं कह रहा हूँ and this is like all cards on display. This person never calls. ठीक है, अगर मतलब मुझे एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड करवाना है तो मैं कॉल करूंगा कि भाई आज कर लें, कल कर लें.
Yeah.
टॉपिक भाई
Unless it's
meeting,
something
भाई
like
this.
very important, like life and death.
हाँ,
That's the only time I
वरना
call.
मेरे को अगर मुझे अंतरिक्ष का कॉल आ रहा है तो आई नो दैट दिस इज एन अनमिसेबल कॉल बिकॉज ये नहीं करता है कॉल.
So, mom, when I call you, pick up, yeah.
The other day he called and I'm like पता नहीं क्या इमरजेंसी हुई होगी जो इसने मेरे को कॉल किया ऑन अ नॉन रिकॉर्डिंग डे.
Yep.
एंड आई पिक अप एंड आई एम लाइक हाँ भाई बोलो. एंड ही गोस
यार, मजे आ गए?
कमेंट्स पढ़ रहा है कि नहीं.
आगे तेरे को, हाँ? आगे मजे. करण जोहर का साइड लेना था बड़ा, हाँ? आगे हो गया, एंजॉयमेंट हो गई, हाँ? कैरी मिनाटी जेल में था, हाँ? खुश हो गया तू? गया वो जेल में, हाँ? Prince Andrew went to jail before Carrie Minati went to jail, dude.
Guys, आप सोच समझ के कमेंट करिए, देखो कैसे घमंड सा
Yeah, correct, dude. Guys, you can't make me go on cloud nine and shit. What is this? थोड़ा इंसल्ट किया करो मेरे को, ठीक है? क्या
तो आदत है।
क्या रिकास्टिंग में मेरे को जिता देते हो? क्या ये? क्या चल रहा है? क्या चल रहा है? क्या है?
ये कभी नहीं हुआ, imaginary।
सुन भाई, लाइव वाले में हुआ ना, लाइव
पुलकित वाले मैच जीत गए भाई मैं। हाँ।
मतलब
बोला तुम
पुलकित
जीते?
was first, he was a very close second.
So I actually won, but Pulkit was the guest, so we gave it him. Pulkit, we love you. Okay. So yeah, as you said, a lot of things to talk about. Of course, we'll get to our reviews of Tuyame and Oromeo. Oromeo only Snehal has seen.
Yeah, only I have
Tuyame,
seen.
Tuyame, all three of us have seen.
Also, आप सबको हमारा email ID पता है, which is filmycolada@gmail.com. आप कभी भी कोई भी सवाल हो आप भेज सकते हो, हम लोग कभी भी AMA एपिसोड कर सकते हैं.
हाँ कभी कर देते हैं और we are always in need for things to talk about. So please.
हाँ, so
Till
आप
as late as we start shooting.
Yeah,
हाँ,
exactly. Yeah. Till literally about 5 minutes before we start shooting. We're still looking for a topic.
अभी 12:12 हो रहे हैं. मैं यहाँ पे आया था 8:40 PM पे,
Yep.
और तब से हम रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट ही कर रहे हैं.
देखो, see, that's how much time we give.
Yes,
It's a
true.
era gira कोई शो थोड़ी है.
Of course.
Yeah, of course. I'm the only one who gives it time, guys. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh, Romeo.
I cannot.
Oh, bro, that was great though. That was great. That was very good.
2 weeks.
2 weeks back to back. Yes. और इस वाले वीक में तो कीर्ति भी अग्री कर रही है.
हाँ।
ऐसा क्या?
हाँ, पिछले वाले में वो नहीं कर रही.
पिछले वाले में तो उसने ऐसे से किया था.
I thought तुमने देखा नहीं।
Of course, but I think I'm blind, or the whole world saw this. Okay. Well, what else we have to talk about? There were a few things. There was the movies. Then we have oh yeah, dude. So one thing before we get into
तू या मैं.
Tuyame, I heard a thing that I'm actually quite sad about, but also like I kind of understand that it's happening. Basically, Hrithik Roshan was supposed to direct Krish 4,
Oh yeah.
and now it's been shelved. You know why?
It hasn't been
I
shelved.
don't know.
So it's essentially shelved.
Essentially, हाँ, मतलब
Yeah.
like, so Hrithik is basically asking for 500 CR.
500 CR, dude.
He's asking for 500 CR. He says that the vision that I have, the film that I want to make, it will require 500 CR. And he went with
And
a
he's-
proposal to YRF.
Yeah,
and
I heard he said.
IRF,
Yeah,
why?
I heard he also said that the main lead of this movie needs to get 300 crores.
Who, Hrithik?
That's what he didn't say that. So what would be insane?
and YRF is like कि हम 300 350 CR लगा सकते हैं, but 500 CR is a little too much.
क्या quantum है ये?
Yeah, IYRF was like, see, 499 CR is fine.
Yeah, but that one
500
extra CR.
Sorry, no, not happening. Not for Hrithik.
तो फिर क्या IRF ने मना कर दिया?
Mana kar diya. Then he shopped it around for other people. And everyone is agreeing to like 250, 300 crores.
Why is he not self-producing that as they did with the?
But they
other
never do
ones?
that. Almost no production house actually
How was
self-produces.
the earlier Krish produced? Who
Yeah,
produced
that
it?
the earlier Krish was fucking 12, 13 years ago,
So
or like
that-
whatever.
That and also most films are not self-financed. You're putting in an investor's money.
Sure, but
There's
not
always investors'
some-
money.
Not some coveted like YRF or Excel was involved in the earlier movies, right? That's what
Was
I
it?
think.
But I think
Was
उतने
it or-
बड़े बजट्स भी नहीं होंगे ना
हाँ,
यार.
sure.
500 करोड़
But Krish 3
But then again, that's what also ना यार, कि तुम आज के टाइम पे 500 करोड़ का इकोनॉमी anyway फिल्म्स का नहीं है.
हाँ, वैसे भी टैंक हो रही
हाँ,
है
bro.
आदि.
Will
Bro, 50 crore movies aren't making their money
Making
back.
their money back.
But of course, a Hrithik movie will of course make at least that much.
yeah,
You
again,
think
but-
you say so, but Krish 3 was forgettable at best, and for them to garner excitement about Krish 4 would have been a tough job.
I think I still see you're right. Krish 3 didn't receive that good a word of mouth or a review per se, but it still earned money.
Did it?
It
Of
earned a
course,
lot
yeah,
actually.
it earned a lot of money. So that I think the franchise name Krish in itself is so big कि
उतना तो
300
बेस लेवल तो कमाई
हाँ,
लेगी.
उतना 300 करोड़
पहले
तो-
3-4-5 दिन अच्छा कर
हाँ,
लेगी.
जैसे ये बॉर्डर के साथ हुआ ना कि बैंगर पे खुली 2-3 दिन 4 दिन में ही 250-300 करोड़ कर दिया, फिर डिप हो गया.
हाँ.
आई थिंक क्रिश 4 भी अगर बनती है तो कुछ ऐसा ही मंजर देखने को मिलेगा क्रिश 4 के साथ भी. बट देन अगेन
शेक्सपियर फिर मंजर मैं कहाँ आ गए?
but then again 500 CR seems quite difficult in this economy for a film like Krish, because the franchise also भाई 14 साल 12 साल 13 साल जितने भी, I think 2013 में थी Krish 3, but जितने भी हैं it's more than a decade for sure.
Definitely.
तो 10 साल के बाद for a superhero to return.
But what I would like to see is when Krish 4 does come out, directed by Hrithik, Aditya Dhar puts a story saying, कि, hey, I don't agree with the politics of the movie.
All the way. But otherwise,
movie is
technically very sound.
banging, dude. What a movie otherwise.
But it would have been interesting to see Hrithik's vision as a director.
I agree. That's why I'm a
It
little
would have
bummed
been
actually.
interesting.
बट
Yeah.
तुम्हें
I don't
पता
know.
नहीं आदित्य दार ने किया था अबाउट क्रिश 3 ट्वीट कि विवेक ओबरॉय के सलमान खान ओपिनियन से मैं अग्री नहीं करता बट मूवी
Movie actually, he actually
Oh, really?
looks like the Joker.
just
Oh, it is great. I'm like, did I miss this or something? Oh,
Peak detailing by Aditya Dhar.
I don't agree with the affair happening on the side. But the movie is nice.
The movie is good, dude. Yeah. Imagine if they get Vivek Oberoi back for Krish 4. That would be crazy.
But I still think मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि Krish 4 थोड़ी लेट बनेगी but बन जाएगी.
Bro, actually, I think कि
They might have to get like 2-3 more producers on board. But again, I still feel like
so the thing is, no, like for a debutant director, okay, has Hrithik directed like कोई ads and all? Is
he's
that a thing?
assisted and all. He's never directed.
So that's the thing. For a debutant director, Krish, so anything like with high levels VFX and special effects, right, is not an easy thing for a new director
Yeah.
to pull off. It's very rare.
But then
for something like that to
considering
happen.
Hrithik अगर वो एक प्रोजेक्ट उठा रहा है तो वो
सोच समझ के उठा
भाई
रहा
वो
होगा।
पूरी जी जान लगा देता है अपने किसी
Dude,
भी project
100%
में.
agreed.
Be it
You're right.
brand, be it
That you're
gym,
right.
be it whatever.
That you're right.
Or-
Like
Yeah.
he's one of the few celebrities who actually has very successful brand collaborations. उसका खुद का brand, उसके collaborations, उसके partnerships.
Yeah.
Dude, that
Bang on.
100% agreed.
But it can be a power trip also. you
yeah,
know?
it can. It can.
यार but
कि
considering
मैं मेरा ये विजन है और मैं कर लूंगा बट फिर ऐसे पावर ट्रिप में लोग खो जाते हैं दे लॉस द साइट ऑफ इफ द स्क्रिप्ट इज एक्चुअली गुड लाइक ब्रह्मास्त्र यू नो एवरीवन वाज लाइक इट्स ग्रेट एंड द वीएफएक्स वाज ग्रेट एंड द स्केल वाज ग्रेट बट देन द स्टोरी वाज ब्ला
but I still again the thing is कि considering Hrithik, like the persona that Hrithik has, the way he functions, at least when it comes to how he comes across,
Yeah.
I feel he's way too sincere.
Dude, 100% right. But the thing is, Hrithik ka sincerity we've known since the beginning of his career.
Yeah.
But it's not like he's not made bad films.
Of course,
Even at
of
the end
course.
it. So that's the thing. You know, you can be as sincere as you want to be. Like, dude, everyone is trying to make a good film. Nobody's trying to make a bad film.
even if it's a sincere effort and goes bad, I would not be upset.
Exactly.
with
Oh, you
him.
wouldn't be upset?
No.
Oh,
at
no,
least
man. I
it
want Hrithik
should-
to do something
but
good if
it
he's directing for the first
shouldn't
time.
It shouldn't be a war too. कि वहाँ
Oh,
के डायरेक्टर
100%.
सोच रहे हैं कि हम तो कुछ जीनियस बना रहे हैं
हाँ.
और वो निकला एकदम ही बेकार.
Bro,
that
but
would be more upsetting.
also in War 2, they had to have known that they made a bad product, dude.
I mean, they knew midway. That's the rumor. But
Oh,
as
yeah,
we
they
talked,
knew, हाँ.
तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए कि
Yeah.
इतने अपने दिमाग में आप वॉप हो चुके हैं कि आपने बोला मैं ही बनाऊंगा मैं ही किल कर दूंगा बिल्कुल मेरा विजन है बट देन इट एक्चुअली डजंट
But again,
ट्रांसलेट
you're right. I still feel कि 500 CR like for a project that is being like revamped या repicked after a decade with like Hrithik donning the director's hat for the very first time. Krish is anyway a tricky franchise to revive.
सुपरहीरो is tricky
हाँ,
at this
और
point.
It
इस
is,
मतलब
yeah.
and considering Bollywood anyway या हिंदी film industry anyway is not going through a good time right now and it's been bloody 3 years at this point that we've not had like a good year.
Bro, we had a very good year. What are you talking about?
Which one?
This year that just went by. With Dhurandhar was the biggest movie ever.
Dhurandhar
तो
is
भाई
this
एक
year.
एक फिल्म को
नहीं,
लेके
that was
आप ये नहीं कह
December.
सकते ना
सैयारा,
कि
dude.
पूरी पिक्चर
Sayyara did very well.
यार बट अगर आप 12 महीने में
still.
अगर आप 3 पिक्चरें बता पा रहे हो तो बहुत अच्छी गई
But
हैं.
there was quite a few movies earned more than 200 crores, dude. That's a good year.
भाई 200 crores right now क्या है ना एक बड़ी स्केल की फिल्म के लिए 200 करोड़ क्या है पैन इंडिया 200 करोड़
So-
कुछ भी नहीं है.
Dude, so what I would say is that
बॉर्डर 2 का 2 वीक का रन टाइम रहा है वो 350 करोड़ पे है.
that's good.
That's what I'm saying. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि अभी 200-250 करोड़ वाला जो पिक्चर 100 करोड़ क्लब इज आउट ऑफ द पिक्चर नाउ.
No, you're right. I understand what you're saying. What I'm saying though is that monetarily it's not that bad a year. Like last year was more difficult. This year's definitely been better than
But
last
फिर
year.
again, मेरे as a viewer, मेरे लिए monetary is irrelevant.
Yeah,
I want
that's
good
true.
movies. I
That's
want to
right.
see good, solid.
So
well-made
again, in
movies.
that regard also, I think 2025 was a much better than 2024. There were more experimental
But then
movies.
again, it's still not a good year.
But okay, correct. But the thing is, I think what is happening is that now, after the pandemic, finally, right, directors, people working in films are understanding what the audience wants and what they're responding to.
भाई मुझे तो लग रहा है हम हमारी जो
उल्टा जा
फिल्म
रहा
है वो उल्टे जा रही हैं.
No, I think they're understanding now. Like, dude, I was
मुझे ऐसा
very
लग
impressed
रहा
by
है-
Tuyama, by the way.
मुझे-
That's why. So I
Tuyama
think
was great.
मुझे
But,
ऐसा लग रहा है
I'm
कि
very
एक ही ढांचे से निकली हुई पिक्चरें बनती आ रही हैं और वो सारे सेम स्केल सेम लेवल
bro,
ऑफ
that's
प्रोडक्शन
you're thinking
सेम.
of the super mainstream ones.
तो वो और क्या
No,
भाई?
I'm thinking like
अब
just off mainstream.
भाई आई तो देखो वध
Like
2 भी
Super
है.
Boys, Homebound.
भाई
These are
ये
very offbeat movies.
I agree.
Sadak, sorry, Dhadak 2.
I agree, but these films what 10 दिन में थिएटर से बाहर 15 दिन में थिएटर से बाहर.
Dude, but that's what I'm saying.
but
वो
then
slowly
they were
वो
good
बन जाएगा.
movies again. फिर वो
भाई
वो
ऐसे-
वही है,
then
that's-
but then
यार
you can't
ऐसे
अगर
तो
मॉनेटरी
ऐसे-
भी नहीं चाहिए, अगर तुम
मैं-
आर्ट भी नहीं चाहिए फिल्म में, तो फिर क्या चाहिए?
भाई एक ऐसा पॉइंट होता है ना जहाँ पे फाइनेंसेस और आर्ट मीट
Bro,
करता
वो
है.
तो रेयर ही है ना, पर वो तो दंगल धुरंधर ही तो है, बस कितने हैं?
That's what I'm
That's
saying.
rare.
तो हम लोग वो वाला टाइप का सिनेमा एक टाइम पे बन रहा था. अब या तो हम एकदम ऐसे हैं कि भाई
But
या तो
that-
जुगनुमा
that-
बना दो, आगरा बना दो, ये बना दो, या तो फिर हम ऐसे हैं कि भाई RRR ही बनेगी सीधा.
But that kind of cinema has always been there.
But this year looks exciting. In
That's-
fact,
yeah, agree.
from the perspective that you are saying कि art भी and money भी.
मतलब लेकिन एक
हाँ,
अच्छा
this,
प्रोडक्ट
हाँ.
भी है जो कमा भी रहा है.
हाँ, जो कि
Yeah.
इस साल है, रामायण है, राजा मौली की
Love and
वो
movie
नहीं,
है.
वो वाराणसी इज नेक्स्ट ईयर.
हाँ.
But Love and
So
War
it's
is supposed.
next year, okay.
Love and War is also.
कि-
Love and War is also next
तो
year.
yeah.
Seeming like, yeah.
But एक और मेरा concern है with Krish 4 is कि universes are done. People are sick of the universe कि हम MCU और या जो भी
Horror
करेंगे.
comedy universe.
Horror comedy मतलब वो थोड़ा
दिनेश विजन.
अभी डन हो गया है. और क्रिश
थामा कितनी बेकार थी भाई.
कितनी
बहुत
बेकार
ज़्यादा
थी. तो
बेकार थी.
क्रिश
बहुत बेकार थी.
क्रिश को ही
25
मिल
है
गया
हाँ,
was
last
the
year ही तो
OG
थी.
universe which is again will revive now with Krish 4. But maybe is it the right time because people are already done with sequels and same universe or whatever it's called.
See what I think. It's.
और अभी हमने
it's-
जब 2025 रिकैप किया था तब हम खुद ही तो कह रहे थे कि वेला साल गया है, 2-3 पिक्चरें ही ठीक आई हैं बस.
हमने कहा था क्या?
और क्या.
Maybe I'm wrong. Hey man, it's about what I'm feeling in the day.
He has forgotten it.
Yeah, dude. I've forgotten it. Yeah. Memory it is bad. What I want to say is coming to Kirti's point of sequels and all, right? Or people being tired of universes. I think it's all about one banger. Okay? One
I
banger
agree.
comes and that entire trend is going to be on the rise.
I
again.
agree.
All
I
that.
agree. हमारा
That's
वैसे
exactly
भी
what
जो
happens.
हिंदी मूवी ऑडियंस जो है वो बहुत ही वो है.
Gullible in a way.
मतलब हम लोग बहुत जल्दी इम्प्रेस हो जाते हैं. हम लोग बहुत
हाँ.
एक्सेप्टिंग हैं कि हाँ भाई ठीक है कोई दिक्कत. मतलब हमारा ना ऐसा है कि अगर हमें आप थोड़ा डिसेंट प्रोडक्ट दे दो तो हम उसको चढ़ा देंगे. अगर हमें खराब दे दो तो हम उसकी मतलब मिट्टी वलीदी कर देंगे.
जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. Exactly वही है.
I agree.
But then again, so Snehal, you had asked a very interesting question to us before the episode.
Did I? What? क्या बात
Yeah,
कर
I'm
रहे
telling you, no.
wow,
You don't
thanks.
remember these things.
मुझे actually joke से आते हैं.
You had asked, "K, is the audience the problem? That
Oh,
we
yes.
are giving
Yes.
money to the wrong movies and going and watching the wrong movies. And Homecoming, as you said,
Homebound.
sorry, Homebound is that Spider-Man Homecoming. Spider-Man Homebound is the new one. Homebound gets out of theaters in 15 days.
भाई मैं भी कह रहा हूँ अभी एज वी स्पीक थिएटर्स में वध 2 लगी हुई है.
But
Yeah.
नहीं वो तो नहीं होना है. वो
वही मैं
नहीं-
कह रहा हूँ ना.
But
क्यों
what is
नहीं
not the
हो-
movie that's going to
But
win?
a
That's
Vad
gonna
2
win.
or a Homebound cannot be a 3 Idiots. You know what I mean?
3 dates?
3 digit.
3 Idiots.
Oh, 3 idiots.
3 idiots.
हाँ
Oh.
कि वो सबको खींच के ले आए
अरे
थिएटर में.
मैं एक्सपेक्ट
तुम
ही नहीं
expect करो
मैं
वो.
नहीं कर रहा. मैं नहीं.
But
मैं
then
ये-
again, is the audience the problem?
मैं नहीं
Are we the
expect-
problem for not going and supporting these movies?
मैं
I mean it won't ये movies appreciate होंगी और जो niche है जो art lovers movie lovers है वो जाएंगे देखने, but those are not the majority. The majority target होना चाहिए कि family audience को मैं खींच के ला रही हूँ. अब मैं कैसे अपने दादा दादी नाना नानी को लेके Homebound देखने जाऊँ कि
that's what I'm
वो
saying.
मर
पता
रहा
है
है, COVID हो गया है.
हम लोग मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना. हम लोग ने ना बहुत ऐसा हो गया है कि हम लोग का जो सिनेमा बनता जा रहा है ना वो बहुत ही डिवाइडेड. लाइक नाउ देयर इज अ क्लियर डिस्टिंक्शन कि और हम लोग उसको बहुत तरीके से कॉप आउट की तरह भी यूज कर लेते हैं कि यार मैं मास बना रहा हूँ. मास का मतलब यही है क्या कि आपने लात मारी तो वो 600 किलोमीटर दूर जाके गिर रहा है? थ्री इडियट्स भी तो एक तरीके से कमाया ही ना।
Yeah.
थ्री इडियट्स गुड कंटेंट
Both, yeah, it was the best,
और
हाँ.
अच्छा कमाया। दंगल गुड कंटेंट अच्छा कमाया। तो वो आई एम सेइंग वो मूवीज वैसी मूवीज धीरे
वैसी
धीरे
नहीं
कम
बन
होती
रही,
जा
नहीं
रही
बन
हैं।
रही।
वो तो
And
वो तो
I-
बनी नहीं रही।
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, तो
I
ऐसी
think
ऐसी
Dhurandhar
फिल्म्स की
was a
बहुत
good
जरूरत है।
attempt.
Because what is happening is, I think, is that production houses are somehow under the impression that only if we put 200 crores in a movie will it earn 500 crores.
Also-
Gone are the times where people used to think कि oh मेरी 60 करोड़ की पिक्चर 300 करोड़ कमाए 500 करोड़ कमाए, लोगों को लग रहा है ये होने नहीं वाला है।
कॉर्पोरेटाइजेशन भी तो बहुत हो गया ना यार।
But also because the thing is, maybe we have. I'm so sorry. I think I cut you off.
कोई बात
The thing is, what I think part of it is. I think part of it is that people have. So like most movies are bad at marketing. Would you agree? Most movies.
I think
there are one or two movies that are good.
most movies are heavily marketed,
No,
which
but
I think
but bad at marketing.
हाँ भाई
You
मैं
can
तो
be
कह रहा हूँ-
marketed, but still be
मैं तो
doing
कह
a
रहा
bad
हूँ,
job at it.
border to very bad marketing.
Exactly.
Very bad marketing.
Dude, for instance, Happy Patel did not live up to the expectations, but the marketing of
Great
it was great
marketing.
marketing. So we need marketing minds that are selling movies the right way, the correct way, the more
Yeah.
fun way.
And I'm surprised कि कैसे हम लोग मतलब इतना heavily PR driven इंडस्ट्री होने के बाद भी we are getting marketing wrong.
So anyway, let's get into it.
Yes.
तू या मैं.
Wow.
Who will start? तू या मैं?
All three of us. तू या all three of us saw
Yes.
तू या मैं. And what do you guys think?
I तो loved it.
Loved it.
I loved it.
I really liked it also.
I
yes.
don't know. I loved it. Loved,
she did love
loved
it, yes.
हाँ.
Yeah.
I
But
loved.
कुत्ता मर गया था.
हाँ, मत याद दिलाओ.
That's how you know she's so involved in the story.
हाँ, fair. But it was so funny कि भाई वो कुत्ता ऐसा आधा लटका हुआ है, ठीक है, वो क्रोकोडाइल ऊपर मस्त चल रहा है भाई, वो ऐसा लटका हुआ कुत्ता, वो क्रोकोडाइल मस्त अपने 2 पैर का ग्रिप पकड़ के 2 से नीचे कूद के कुत्ता ले गए वापस भाई 4x4 गाड़ी की तरह एकदम
भाई ये क्रोकोडाइल तो नेक्स्ट लेवल था
ब्रो
भाई
क्रोकोडाइल
भाई वो दैट सीन फर्स्टली ओके देयर सो as a whole I would say I enjoyed the movie quite a lot.
Yeah.
I love the chemistry of these two actors okay together.
Yeah, what
Yeah.
a solid, good, cute love story.
Yeah, correct. I loved a lot of it. I really liked. Okay, but then there were small things.
Bro, there were a lot of
of small
exactly.
things.
हाँ,
Exactly.
इतना पर
नहीं, नहीं,
सब
correct.
कुछ imperfect है.
नहीं,
वैसे
but
तो.
no, see, like stuff like the cop who comes back to save them.
ओ भाई साहब
Okay, the cop he's established throughout the movie. Oh, he's a nice cop. What a rare cop who goes out of his way to help these people. That's crazy, dude. Okay, so you're like, oh, I'm rooting for this cop. Okay, to fucking survive the entire movie. Then he shows up. Okay, after not being able to get in touch with these people, like कहाँ गए ये लोग मर गए क्या हो गया? He shows up at the hotel where they're staying. Sees that oh shit, the swimming pool has been filled with water.
And there's
rainwater.
a crocodile.
And there are up 2 crocodiles.
नहीं, तो
At that point there
उस
were
टाइम
one.
तक एक ही था.
At that point there were one.
Oh.
Okay, so and वो देख रहा है कि आदर्श गौरव डूब रहा है वहाँ पे. Okay, which for how long are you doobing? डूबो ना.
Bro, there were so many things कि ऐसे कि bro
चल, ठीक
for
है.
how long?
Basically, dude, also I love Adarsh Gaurav, so nothing against him. I
Yeah.
love the guy. He's been on the show. Love the guy. But
Brilliant
okay?
actor. Brilliant actor.
In this also, amazing. by the way.
Crazy.
Yeah,
Great job.
So good.
पूरा फर्स्ट हाफ कैरी किया है भाई उस बंदे ने.
हाँ.
Crazy.
Shoulders build up हो गए.
भाई हाँ वो तो हाँ. So anyway, the cop throws like this rope kind of thing that he attaches to the back of his Scorpio.
हाँ.
Cop Scorpio. Throws the rope
Shout out
to
Rohit Shetty.
yeah throws a rope to Adarsh Gaurav's character. Adarsh Gaurav is like, oh मैं बहुत दूर हूँ मैं इतना आसान नहीं पाऊंगा. Instead of walking around and trying to give it to him from the side, this guy is like अच्छा यार तू चूतिया रुक. तो
मैं
he
नीचे
climbs
आ रहा
down.
हूँ. अरे भाई आप वो छोड़ो. Fuck that भाई.
Don't look down. Let me complete. He climbs down. Immediately, as he's climbing down, the crocodile comes up, eats him. But the crocodile doesn't just eat the person. Mara to mara. The crocodile also grabs onto the rope and then pulls the fucking Scorpio.
car, yeah,
You know
bro.
how big a crocodile would have to be able to pull a Scorpio?
मतलब
ठीक है,
ये तो चलो
ठीक है.
बायोलॉजी और एनिमल किंगडम में घुस गए हम लोग.
Mass,
मतलब
mass,
मुझे
bro.
मुझे नहीं पता था. मैंने भी सोचा है. मैंने कहा भाई ऐसा कैसा क्रोकोडाइल का जान है.
होगा वो
बट
strong
हो सकता
crocodile
है
होगा.
होता हो. हमने कौन सा भाई अमेज़न फॉरेस्ट में दिन गुजारे.
But bite force ज़्यादा होता है. But force कम ही है.
Fair, you're right. You could absolutely be right. ठीक है.
Tell me I'm wrong in the comments below.
But what I was thinking was कि भाई तू पुलिस वाला A, ठीक है, तू आया है, तेरे पास फुल फ्लेजेड गाड़ी है,
हाँ।
ठीक है, तू निकल रहा है, निकल के तुझे वहां सीढ़ी दिखा, तू सीढ़ी को लेने गया, ठीक है, आदर्श गौरव कह रहा है अरे वहां मत जा, उस पे ताला है। अबे तो तेरे पास 25, तेरे पास बंदूक है, तेरी गाड़ी
खोलना।
में हुक है, तेरी गाड़ी में इतनी, तू ताला नहीं तोड़ सकता उसका।
Bro, firstly, and also,
मत करो,
dude,
अच्छी
the
लगी।
entire movie, that ladder was just there for the sake of being there. They didn't use it in any way.
nobody
मतलब
used
जस्ट
Yeah.
कि हाँ भाई वहां उस पे ताला है, अरे
Yeah.
ठीक है,
इससे अच्छा crocodile use करके नीचे जाता था।
इट्स लाइक मेरे को ये समझ में आ रहा है कि चलो ठीक है, ताला है, आदर्श गौरव नहीं खोल पा रहा उसको,
Yeah.
पैनिक में, क्योंकि नीचे क्रोकोडाइल है, सामने शनाया है,
हाँ.
वो उसको भागना है।
हाँ.
भाई तू तो मतलब ऐसा, जब तू इतना दिमाग लगा सकता है कि मैं गाड़ी में जाके रस्सी डाल के हुक डाल के ये सब करूंगा,
तो उससे पहले उससे आसान तो वही खोलना है।
उसको गोली मार के
Yeah.
ताले से तोड़ना।
Or at the most, see the ladder is attached to another shelf.
Yeah.
Throw the shelf also down. Who gives a shit? Throw the whole thing down, dude. He'll climb onto it.
वो बंदा जो उसका लॉज का मालिक है, लड़का जो चाइनीज ऑर्डर करता है,
हाँ.
ठीक है भाई, 2 दिन तक उसका फोन पानी में पड़ा रहा,
हाँ.
ठीक है,
और खराब नहीं हुआ।
और बैटरी भी नहीं गई।
हाँ, correct.
भाई दो दिन,
दो
डेढ़
दिन?
रात, हाँ,
ये 2 दिन का था क्या?
और क्या,
Same day,
bro.
Same day,
bro.
Same day मरा वो, और उसी दिन
Yeah.
शाम रात के, नहीं उसके अगले दिन।
हो गया
हाँ
2 दिन तक
भाई। हाँ तो
2
वही
दिन,
तो
हाँ।
देखो, सुबह
एक
वो
दिन की
वो
सुबह
सुबह
and
अपना
then
पंप
second
ठीक
day
करने
की
जाता
सुबह
है,
and
ठीक है, जब वो
हाँ।
चाइनीज ऑर्डर करता है, जब वो चाइनीज ऑर्डर करता है तो वो आदर्श गौरव अपना वो लेने जाता, बाइक ठीक कराने जाता है,
हाँ।
फिर वो वहां पे देखता है कौन है मगरमच्छ आता है, उसको काट के वो कर देता है।
सोते हैं दोनों,
एक रात दोनों पूल में नहीं सोते,
होते
और फिर
हैं।
अगले दिन की भी शाम को जाती है वो,
Correct,
और
correct,
पानी में मस्त उसका फोन तैर रहा है। वो रात को, क्योंकि देखिए नहीं, रात को जब वो चाय पी रहे होते हैं तो वो पुलिस वाले को फोन करती है कि आप आ जाओ, जब उसको लगता है कि
ऐसे फोन्स अभी ओप्पो के
कीर्ति शट अप,
उनकी बैटरी लाइफ अच्छी है।
पानी में भाई, मतलब इट्स लाइक कि
Ozempic and Oppo is what you're promoting on this episode.
उसके फोन में घंटी बजती है तो वो फोन पानी के नीचे कर देती है ताकि क्रोकोडाइल को घंटी ना सुनाई दे।
हाँ,
फिर वो वापस बाहर निकाल के वापस उसको कॉल कर।
Also, little does she know, sound travels faster in water than it does on air. Hey, science.
भाई क्या मस्त एकदम भाई, बहुत ही, फोन की बैटरी ही नहीं जा रही है भाई, क्रेजी।
That's true. And also, dude, how would you know to put out your arm
और
there
सामने ही
and
फोन
वहीं
होगा,
पे फोन है?
और टॉर्च भी वही है।
Yeah,
No,
how
she
it
was-
is there?
But she was just trying her luck, जो भी उसको मिल जाए।
हाँ मतलब उसका लक कहीं तो काम करे ना
Bro,
भाई।
इतना
दो-
अच्छा लक कि तुम्हारे हाथ में
भाई,
फोन ही आ गया तो काम कर रहा है।
अच्छा लग तो कहीं से नहीं था उस पिक्चर
I
में।
mean-
वो दोनों के दोनों देख के मुझे लग रहा दोनों मूलांक
हाँ।
8 हैं
मुझे
बेचारे,
बस
उनका
एक
जीवन।
Bad लगा, bad लगा।
एक चीज जो मुझे आईसोर लगी,
अच्छा एक ही चीज,
Oh, was
मेजर
was
आईसोर,
the duckbill?
नो
Okay.
डकबिल, ओह व्हाट द हेल।
Duck-
Oh, you didn't see the duckbill? Whenever Shania ka side profile they're showing, because of her lips, modified lips, it looks like she has a duckbill.
अच्छा ओ डक, अच्छा ओ अच्छा,
Yeah, dude.
अच्छा।
You didn't
नहीं।
notice this?
नहीं
You
नहीं
didn't notice the entire movie? Dude, I couldn't help but notice this.
मैं क्रोकोडाइल
We were laughing about the entire movie.
We know you.
I found
I
very
didn't
funny.
notice.
I found very
I was enjoying the movie. But जब वो लोग को क्रोकोडाइल आ गया और वो सो रहा है वहाँ पे, the pregnant crocodile, and वो लोग वहाँ पे बैठ के काफी जोक्स मार रहे हैं एक दूसरे पे, ताने टाइप्स, यू
Yeah.
नो, जैसे तुम बैंटर कर रहे
तो
हो।
क्या करेंगे ना बेचारे।
बट
पर मत करो ना, get away from the crocodile.
मतलब मैं तो रोने लगती कि मैं मरने वाली हूँ
बट
अब।
पता है सच बताऊं,
This is me
अगर
dying.
अगर अगर तुम दोनों वहां होते ना तो अंतरिक्ष वही कर रहा होता। वो जोक्स ही क्रैक
मरने वाले हैं, might as well crack this.
वो जोक्स ही क्रैक कर रहा था।
Also,
क्या लगता है कीर्ति
वो
घर जाके
मुझे-
कॉफी भी पाएंगे?
Yeah. Also, by the way, the crocodile lays eggs.
हाँ,
And then what happened to the
अबे
eggs?
भाई एक सेकंड, स्टार्टिंग
else with the
में
eggs?
स्टार्टिंग में
What do you want to happen
ब्रो
to
ने
the
एक सेकंड,
eggs?
एक मैं
Bro,
बता,
why do you show me the
Bro,
eggs
हाँ,
at all then?
और ऊपर से शनाया का
A plot
dialogue-
point cannot be introduced and then nothing comes out of it.
They just
It's
wanted
bad
to
writing.
show that the croc has slept for a while and not attacking because the croc is pregnant. That's all the point is. क्या तुम्हें अंडों से बच्चे निकलते हुए देखने थे?
नहीं
नहीं ब्रो, शनाया सेज दिस लाइन कि वो अटैक नहीं कर रही है बिकॉज शी इज जस्ट अ मदर, शी जस्ट वांट्स अ पीसफुल प्लेस टू ले एग्स, एंड वो पूरा उसको सुनाती है ये बात कि मतलब
वो तो
कि
क्योंकि वो खुद प्रेग्नेंट है and they want she
Oh,
wants to
look
drop
at that poor mother. She must be hungry. Come eat my arms. If she's being that empathetic, then go full empathetic, you know.
उसके बाद लाइक आफ्टर दैट वो रैंडमली आफ्टर 15 मिनट्स उसकी आंख का फोकस दिखाते हैं, आंख खुलती है,
वो तो 10-50 ना पिक्चर में वही खुलती
भाड़
है
में गए अंडे, भाड़ में गया उसका काम,
और अंडे वापस कहाँ गए पता नहीं
आदर
कहाँ गए मतलब
कहाँ गए मतलब बत कहाँ गए
वही है पूल में पानी भर गया उसमें वापस
Bro, कम से
pool
कम,
में।
see,
क्या तुम्हें ट्रेजर हंट करना था अंडों
at
का?
least you know what you can do at the end of Tuya Mehta movie
You
the
could have
post credit
made
scene
them crash
hatch हो
again,
गया
दो
like do the Jurassic Park thing
ब्रो, बट इवन आई वाज थिंकिंग, आई वाज लाइक भाई अभी तो वो सिर्फ काम और पीसफुल जगह के लिए आई थी, अंडे देने के लिए, अचानक उसको ये दोनों खाने क्यों है?
कुत्ते ने खाना फेंका ऊपर से और फिर उसके ऊपर ही फेंका आई गेस या
हाँ,
कुछ तो हुआ कि शी गॉट राइल्ड अप अगेन एंड उसने दे दिया बेबीज, उसने अंडे दे दिए तो नाउ शी इज बैक टू
Being a bitch.
ओरिजिनल सेल्फ
I mean the mother will get hungry at some point she will get hungry at some point which is fair but see all in all I really enjoyed it okay the first half
sure guys you really
but there are
enjoyed
small
it.
things you can't help but look
Bro, there are
Yeah.
like these things, bro. एक और चीज भाई, it was so fucking irritating भाई, मतलब मैं ऐसे बैठ के देख रहा हूँ, I'm like, तू जा क्यों नहीं रही है? जब वो एंड में दोनों वो नाले से निकल जाते हैं और वो
Bro, पहली बात तो that नाला का size is dicey as fuck. Okay, sometimes so the crocodile is supposed to be this big. How is it fitting in a normal manhole-sized manhole
It
cover?
was big enough for a
भाई,
frog.
It was. You saw how big the crocodile was compared to the two of them. They are just their body का size is what's fitting in the manhole, not that crocodile,
भाई,
dude.
उसके बाद भाई वो मैनहोल से निकलने के बाद
Also, suddenly he's like, entire movie he's like, I can't swim. And
हाँ.
then he's like, swim. She's like, okay, fine.
हाँ, ठीक है, मैं
Because
चलो
I'll dive underwater.
Because survival.
And-
Underwater.
Baba, have you not seen खतरों के खिलाड़ी?
and bro and then
Is this what खतरों के खिलाड़ी?
खतरों के खिलाड़ी में इंसान को व्हील से बांध देते हैं और वो व्हील घुमाते हैं और they have to keep opening the keys which
Yeah,
they are
but
locked in.
they're not
So
swimming
it go-
underwater.
He was not swimming. She
He
was
swam.
carrying him.
No, he
She
swam,
was
man.
carrying him
Bro, उसके बाद
throughout.
नहीं, उसके हाँ ठीक है, you're right, she was carrying him.
Oh, she
भाई उसके बाद उसको ले जाने के बाद वो सामने पीछे से क्रोकोडाइल आ रहा है, यहाँ से वो खड़ी है भाई,
हाँ,
वो
वो जा
दोनों
नहीं रहे।
फेस ऑफ क्यों कर रहे हैं क्रोकोडाइल और शनाया?
वो artistic
कहाँ पे? जो वो
choice
नीचे
है
ही थी पहले।
यार।
हाँ, नहीं, जब वो एंड में आदर्श गौरव को निकाल नहीं लेती, जब उसका पैर
हाँ,
अटक जाता है
हाँ।
और फिर वो निकाल लेती है और सामने से क्रोकोडाइल आ जाता है, क्रोकोडाइल
Oh, नहीं वो तो ठीक है. That I get, like the last
That
look
was the
at
artistic
an enemy you got
choice,
away
yeah.
from.
भाई
Artistic.
आदर्श गौरव मर रहा है.
That's true. This guy has no air in his lungs.
Exactly.
And she's like, let me have a proper look. I didn't get a proper look this
And
entire
like,
time.
Fuck you, I
Yeah.
won. तेरा boyfriend, fiance to
Yeah.
be बच्चे का बाप
बच्चे का बाप,
मर.
baby daddy.
यार ये मूवी बनाना छोड़ देते हैं, काम
यार-
करते हैं तुम लोगों के लिए, ठीक है? बकवास.
Sorry यार.
एक सेकंड
Sorry यार.
कीर्ति, देखो तुम्हें सांस नहीं आ रही अगर, ठीक है,
वो
तुम
तो ऐसे भी नहीं आ रही,
ऑलमोस्ट
इतनी
मतलब
उसने
तुम
2
almost-
सेकंड
अरे
लिया.
वो एक रोड में क्या हो जाएगा? हाँ, एक रोड में क्या मर गया तो मर गया, क्या हो जाएगा?
एंड वो उसको बकायदा ऐसे पकड़े खड़ी और उसको क्रोकोडाइल
हाँ,
को देख रही है,
yeah.
क्रोकोडाइल उसको देख रहा है, एंड शी इज वेटिंग फॉर द क्रोकोडाइल टू बज. शी इज नॉट गोइंग, शी इज कि मैं जब तक तू नहीं
तू
जाएगा
अपनी जगह मैं नहीं जाऊंगा बस. भाई क्या?
ये मर रहा मरता
Yeah.
रहे, कहाँ
Yeah.
हो रहा है, मेरे को फर्क
एक
नहीं
चीज
पड़ता.
मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी, the
Oh, you don't like something in the movie?
हाँ, the dog dying.
Oh yeah, of
no,
course.
that one and but it was impactful because I started crying.
Dude, also
Oh.
they had to have some stakes. If the two main leads aren't gonna die, they have to kill something.
I mean,
Yeah, that's
there
why the
was,
police
like,
guy.
gazillion
Police guy,
human
but-
beings. But वो
but-
जो the girl who
careful.
left the whistle for Shania,
Yeah.
Parvati, she's a big actor in the South and Kareeb single shout out, she was
Oh,
in
yeah,
that
correct,
movie.
correct.
I love her. उसका रोल कुछ मटेरियलाइज ही नहीं
Nothing.
किया, वो
भाई,
whistle देके वो चली गई और मेरे
वो-
को लगता था कि वो वापस आएगी या something will happen that so that her character will play into it, but nothing.
It was just the whistle.
That's it, just
Bro,
the
just the
whistle.
विसल भी छोड़ो, और ये ऐसा नहीं कि विसल आगे जाके काम आई कहीं पे,
बस there's nobody
कहीं
there.
विसल काम नहीं आई.
हाँ.
और दूसरा एक और चीज, स्टार्टिंग में जब ये बाहर निकलती है, शनाया अपने कमरे से लड़ा के बाहर निकलती है, वो वहां ड्रिंक कर रही होती है, वो उसको पूछती है आर यू ओके, इसको उसकी साइन लैंग्वेज समझ में नहीं आती, ठीक है, उसको उसका आर यू ओके नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, बट उसको आगे के जो वो ज्ञान पेले जा रही है साइन लैंग्वेज में, वो सब समझ में आ गया उसको.
Yes, correct. I
मुझे
agree.
मैं सबटाइटल
I
पढ़ रहा
agree.
हूँ कि क्या बोल उधर सुना है. हाँ, okay.
Guys, wait.
But she was intuitive.
Firstly, are you okay? पहले उसने sign language में किया and she couldn't understand, and then she just asked like a normal person कि are you okay? तो she said कि no whatever, and she said will you drink? तो she said I'm preggers. उसके बाद जो भी उसने sign language किया, they don't tell us कि शनाया को सब decode कर लिया उसने.
She was right,
She
yes.
just got the hint कि you
She
know
was
she's
hint,
trying
ये
to
कर- ये ऐसे आसपास
some
इसके-
place. हाँ,
She's
मतलब
not
अब
wrong.
तुम-
That she's not wrong.
ये
Yeah.
तो मतलब ऐसा है तो तुम घुस जाओ और लिखो
तुम घुस
facts
जाओ
and-
pool में.
facts and myth. ये बिल्कुल ही इसीलिए नहीं चलती guys, this is the problem, इसलिए movies नहीं
So
चलती.
audience is the problem. Yes.
Audience is the problem. Now I agree with it. पहली बात, आदर्श गौरव ने जो हिंदी रैपर का बॉडी लैंग्वेज और टोनालिटी
Killer. No problems at all, dude.
मतलब
Damn
I
good.
could completely imagine
It's damn good.
someone like this. You know, बहुत सही, मतलब
Bro.
थोड़ा गली बॉय रीबूट था, but
the-
बहुत सही.
To her point, the music that they used in the first half,
7 bantai, 7
Insanely
bantai.
good.
So good.
Shout
So
out
good.
7 bantai.
dude, and this is Bijoy Nambiar, right?
है?
Sorry, what's his name? What's
The
the
director.
डायरेक्टर.
Bijoy,
हाँ,
Bijoy
हाँ,
Nambiar,
हाँ.
no?
अरे अभी तो म्यूजिक की बात कर रहे थे.
I'm talking. I'm just going back and forth.
अच्छा, sorry.
Okay,
हाँ,
so the
ठीक है,
thing,
ठीक है, ठीक है.
because Bijoy Nambiar is the one who chose the music.
Yeah, of course. ठीक है,
He,
ठीक है.
dude, he has this knack of making his movies look beautiful, dude.
And some music is always
Music is
also
great.
good.
Dude, like the
Bro,
all
the
the lighting,
bro,
the way
crazy,
it's
yeah, yeah.
shot, the way the chemistry is shown when they're
Yeah,
falling
the
in
love
love.
story was
Love story.
edited
So
Crazy
well
good,
done.
crazy good.
So well done, dude.
I have zero problems with that.
Yeah.
The frames that they used.
So cool.
Beautiful.
The entry when he
Yeah.
held the window of the car
Great,
and came
great.
in the frame.
Great,
So
great,
cool.
great.
I was completely into
मेरा
their love
मेरा
story.
फेवरेट फ्रेम था जब उन दोनों की बैक दिखाते हैं और वो जूम आउट करते हैं और पीछे सारा ब्लू है और यहाँ पे वो दोनों ऐसे करके बैठे हुए हैं जब वो छत पे नहीं बैठते जाके.
Yes. हाँ, great
Bro,
shot.
the
Oh, by
dialogue.
blue you mean the buildings are blue,
Yeah,
not
the
the
slum.
sea.
The
Yeah,
slum,
slums
yeah,
are
yeah.
blue.
हाँ.
Yeah, yeah.
अब फिर उसके बाद वो dude the dialogues are so fucking real.
Yeah,
जहाँ पे
yeah,
वो उसको
agree.
कहता है कि तू मेरी ही गरीबी को रोमांटिसाइज करके मुझे ही बेच रही है.
हाँ, so good. So good.
Great.
Bang
Very
on,
Exactly.
bang on.
Because we've all done that. in
हाँ
some-
bro, exactly. Like we
Yeah.
all,
Yes.
हम
Yeah.
लोग
कि किसी की
ना
प्रॉब्लम को हम पोएटिक वे में बताते हैं कि
पोएटिक
ये
बना देते हैं कि ओ पर मैंने तेरे घर में प्यार बहुत देखा. तेरे घर में 3 एसी हैं मैं, ठीक है.
Yes.
सो यू नो बहुत बहुत सही था, बहुत अच्छा था.
Also, मतलब बहुत लोगों को ये प्रॉब्लम है कि the love story was stretched too much, but I don't have
मुझे
that problem.
भी नहीं लगी
It
वो problem.
actually made me be involved with them and actually care for them, which has been missing a lot in the recent movies, which I don't care about the protagonist and मर जाए कोई बात नहीं. प्यार है, I don't think so. तो but इस मूवी में you could actually see, which is an unbelievable love story because she's so damn rich and he comes from this background, and you would think कि ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, नहीं होगा. But because उन्होंने जैसे दिखाया
Yeah,
है, it
exactly.
seems
They
believable.
established
बहुत
it
हाँ,
very
Which
well.
is
बहुत अच्छा
rare,
था, बहुत
and
अच्छा
I
था.
appreciate
Dude,
it.
did you guys know that the teaser that had come out of the movie of them both
Yeah,
in
the
this body of
first,
water?
yeah.
Then they turn around and they are
Yeah.
in the water together. That was not part of the movie at
No,
all.
that was just.
But did you know that throughout?
Yeah.
Do you think that they changed the tone of the movie throughout,
No,
like
no,
midway
no.
through?
Because उसमें तो directly Croc ने आदर्श को pull किया है वो.
Yeah, correct.
So that couldn't have been
Yeah.
because then he's dead. You know, that was just to show the.
कहाँ
the-
पुल किया है आदर्श
You
को?
remember that?
The
Oh,
teaser.
The first.
You know what I'm talking about, the
जिसमें
teaser.
They both are in the lake.
Oh,
not
you don't
in the
remember this?
pool.
हाँ, I remember they are in a lake.
So
हाँ.
at
तो
the end of the
उस-
teaser, in that, Adarsh
Croc
Gaurav. So
pulls-
basically, they are next to each other. Okay, it seems like they're either about to kiss or do that collab
Yeah,
thing.
they
that they're
just
doing.
to have tu ya
Yeah.
main, blah blah blah,
Tu ya
tu
main.
ya main.
They're bantering, and
the
then suddenly
Croc
she's like,
comes.
it's a moment of silence, like, huh, and then Adarsh just pulled out of there,
Yeah.
seemingly by some kind of a
So that
monster.
was just an
Achha,
announcement
understood.
thing,
Yeah.
which was a cool way to do it.
Agreed,
I would say.
but I thought like I would have liked that to be.
No.
Either way, that was a
मतलब
good.
I think
you're right.
it's a remake or an adaptation of a film called The Pool,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, which is apparently also very good. It's a Thai movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But नहीं movie में और again I would say this, I think Shania has good potential.
Dude, I would agree. I'm
And I has
actually.
good potential for the Sobo roles.
Like one thing that Ananya
Exactly.
was getting at
Yeah.
कि फाइनली मैं सारे वो वाले रोल्स कर लूंगी जिसमें मैं ही हूँ, कॉल
It's
मी
the
बे,
same. Now
और
Influencer.
अब वो शनाया ले लेगी
Double-
अगर
double
सारे, तो
roles.
फिर कैसे होगा?
हाँ,
Double
फिर
double.
उनको बांटना
Also, do you
पड़ेगा
think
आपस
a good strategy by not debuting with Dharma, and because abhi very
में.
recently
She has
she's
already debuted with Vikrant Massey.
I know it was not Dharma.
Oh, अच्छा, but she wanted to. It got
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, so
shelved.
that's what she's very
Yeah,
recently.
good for her,
You
man.
can't say.
उसने
You can't
अभी
say.
एक इंटरव्यू में बोला है that I'm glad my debut didn't happen with Dharma. Yeah,
Because
like
we saw what happened with Ananya and Tara.
something along similar lines she said this, and that it happened with Vikrant and then this film.
Yeah.
I think
You
it's good.
like you see the pattern, right? Like this is gonna be the next few movies they're gonna launch. Nepo kids are gonna
Yeah,
do
we
this
talked
where
about this.
yeah, where they're gonna have the Nepo kid
हाँ,
with
and with like a very good actor.
with a very good actor. So the
Yeah.
very good actor makes the other Nepo kid who's may not be as good look
look
like a much better actor than they might
serviceable.
be. Yeah. So and it works, dude. Like especially in this one, they did a really good job.
आदर्श गौरव ने पूरी पिक्चर खींच ली भाई, पूरी पिक्चर और कमाल खींची है, and the frustration that he shows is crazy good, and the realizations that he also has crazy good. बहुत मतलब हर एक थॉट दोनों का बहुत अच्छे से जस्टिफाई किया है, बहुत अच्छे से दोनों की बैकिंग दी है, बहुत अच्छे से दोनों का कि उनकी ये सोच क्यों है, उसकी प्रॉपर रीजनिंग है, लाइक यू कैन नॉट क्वेश्चन दैट.
Hey, I have a question, dude. Like, you know, like when you are on set, okay, as an actor or all, you have a vanity van, okay? Will Miss Vanity's Vanity say vanity, vanity? Moving on then to the movie, another movie that released on the very same day.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, Romeo.
This was
Oh,
one of my
Romeo,
most
Romeo.
Oh, Romeo, Romeo. Where art thou, Romeo?
I have not seen the movie.
one
neither
of
have I.
the most anticipated films of
Dude,
the year.
it's
for
sad,
me.
you know.
It's just sad, yeah, dude.
The thing is,
I knew it, but
I get it.
I knew it.
Kirti kept saying कि मेरे को मन भी नहीं कर रहा, अच्छी नहीं लग रही. But I was like, I want to see it. I want to give it the benefit of the doubt. I want something good. I want Shai to do something good. I want Vishal Bharadwaj to do something good.
Shahid was very good in the film actually.
I've heard.
Apparently
Yeah.
everyone was good in the movie, but the movie was
itself-
Avinash was not good though.
Avinash was not
But
good.
Avinash is apparently very upset with his
Performance.
No, with his
Like
portrayal
portrayal.
in the movie.
Dude, the thing is so.
He thinks he did better than what the
यार,
edit
पता है-
ended up with.
Sorry. I am not a fan of. Are you ready?
Oh, यही कर रहा था क्या?
Oh, okay.
Like,
I like Avinash. but
अविनाश
I
की
have the
अपनी
soft-
नॉर्मल आवाज पे रहने देते कि तुम लाइक उसके अंदर उसका एक डायलॉग है कि जलाल जमील नाम है, जलाल नाम है, जमाल कुछ ऐसे,
Jalal.
जलाल है ना?
Yeah. Jamil to was Rakesh Bedi in Dhurandhar. Jamil Jamali. Yeah.
देखी मैंने अभी दोबारा देखी धुरंधर.
भाई हम हर दूसरे दिन में देख रहे हैं because Cine Desi the channel
Yeah, reaction videos. Yeah,
Jabi Koe का renamed channel is Cine Desi and they have so they do this very smart thing by the way. They're a movie reaction channel, so they'll watch the movie along with you, okay? And but the thing is there are like some 10 people who are on that channel, so they sometimes what they'll do, no, they'll do permutation combination. Okay, these two people saw this movie, but it's a very popular movie. 6 months later, a different group of people will watch the movie again, so get repeat views.
But they are all good personalities.
Yeah,
on
cool
the
personalities.
Channel, so
Yeah,
that
I like those
way
guys.
he's
Yeah,
formed
she
a good
introduced
team.
me to them. They're very cool guys. So the thing is, Dhurandhar is the first movie where the two of them watched the movie, but they must have gotten like great views, okay? Because literally the very next day, another three of them have watched the same movie. So the same channel, Dhurandhar Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Next day, Dhurandhar Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 again. Reaction to
They
it.
would have waited, but since the part 2 is coming so soon, they
Yeah.
have they have
Yeah,
released
yeah.
it back.
Fair enough, fair enough.
मुझे broadly
मैं बताता हूँ
plot बताओगे?
ब्रॉडली प्लॉट बताता हूँ. तो अभी इसके अंदर जैसे अविनाश का मैं बता रहा था कि प्रॉब्लम क्या हुई है. तो अविनाश का जैसे एक डायलॉग है कि हमारी तो मोहब्बत भी महंगी है, तुमने तो दुश्मनी खरीद ली. लाइक एग्जैक्टली हमारी तो मोहब्बत भी महंगी है, तुमने तो दुश्मनी खरीद ली. ठीक है, अब एग्जैक्टली ये लाइन नहीं है कुछ, बट अलोंग द सेम लाइंस. तो ही सेज दिस लाइन लाइक दिस, ऐसे वो फोन पे किसी को बोल रहा था, लाइक हमारी तो मोहब्बत भी महंगी है, तुमने तो दुश्मनी ले. अरे मत करो ना यार, नॉर्मल आवाज. एंड द थिंग इज दैट दिस इज हिज टोन द एंटायर फिल्म. सो आई थिंक द प्रॉब्लम विद द फिल्म फॉर मी एटलीस्ट इज कि आई हैड too many expectations from this combo. Like I think जब हमने एपिसोड किया था फर्स्ट वीक सेकंड वीक जनवरी का, तो हमने उसमें पूछा था कि what are the 3 most anticipated films for you
Yeah.
for this year,
Yeah.
and O Romeo was there for me. If I remember correctly, I mentioned O Romeo in my top 3, top 5, whatever. But like, because if you come from this Kamine, Haider
Yeah.
lineage, then you don't give us
Yeah, it's
an O
sad.
Romeo.
Also, I have to just say special mention to Shahid Kapoor in the Kapil Sharma episode. Why was he so excited
About
about everything?
Oh,
He looked very.
It was an awkward episode. Yes.
He looked very new actor behavior था उसका.
Oh, अच्छा. He
You know,
was trying to
he
be the star behavior. Dude.
No.
He was trying to be,
It
the
was
cool guy in the room,
बहुत
gets everyone
ज़्यादा-
together.
बहुत ज़्यादा cringe हो गया मुझे शायद. बहुत ज़्यादा cringe.
यार पता नहीं.
अगर मैं मूवी देखने जाने वाली होती तो मैं वो एपिसोड देख के नहीं जाती. तो it did the opposite of what it was.
Along,
supposed
पता है,
to.
after like the movie received, also by the way, it became the first film to remove audience ratings from Book My Show. So if you open Book My Show, so अगर आप कोई मूवी के लिए Book My Show खोलो तो उसमें audience ratings आता है, right? So now if you open Book My Show for O Romeo, there are no audience ratings. They've actually disabled audience ratings for
That's
O
that's
Romeo.
called being scared.
And the thing is, so one sudden shift that I saw after O Romeo release. So O Romeo opened to like lukewarm
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
reactions and reviews and word of mouth, right?
Okay.
And suddenly after like 2-3 days I see this wave of comments कि अगर आपको हैदर पसंद आई थी तो ये आपको इतनी पसंद आएगी, अगर आपको कमीने पसंद आई थी तो आपको ये इतनी पसंद आई थी, बट अगर वो दोनों आपका टेस्ट नहीं है तो आपको ये पसंद नहीं आएगी. बेसिकली रेज बेटिंग द ऑडियंस इनटू बिलीविंग
You are dumb.
कि यू लाइक आपको हैदर नहीं पसंद आई थी, ओ अच्छा तो मतलब आप वो ही ऐसे कि आपको ये
But
फिल्म
मुझे
नहीं
लगता है
पसंद
वो
आई.
प्योरली प्यार नहीं था. मुझे वो लगता है कि डिनायल था वो हैदर
वो
लवर्स का
सकता है.
कि
No, it's-
नहीं यार अच्छी थी बिकॉज दे डोंट वांट टू बिलीव कि
Bro,
दिस
yeah.
कॉम्बिनेशन हैज गॉन रॉन्ग.
I was
yeah.
actually considering going back to the theaters again to watch it for the second time and to try and figure out कि शायद
You missed
am I the
some,
problem?
yeah.
Did I miss?
Maybe that's
some-
what the other people face also, and they trick
because-
themselves.
So there
into
are a few
believing.
action sequences that are actually good. So I like end में there is a action sequence जहाँ पे शाहिद और तृप्ति साथ में है. Good, very good. मतलब अच्छे से कोरियोग्राफ करी हुई एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस हैं वो. ठीक है. तो I was like कि चलो होगा, कुछ होगा. It is interesting to see कि कैसे आपका विलन एक मैटेडोर है.
हाँ,
है ना. तो लाइक
right.
देयर आर थिंग्स, लेयर्स जो एक इंट्रीगिंग टच पॉइंट्स है, बट देन वो बिल्ड नहीं होते किसी चीज पे.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
लाइक एक्टर्स आर वेस्टेड फॉर श्योर. तमन्ना भाटिया वेस्टेड.
Okay.
क्या कहते हैं,
दिशा
दिशा पाटनी वेस्टेड.
Also,
नाना
this is-
पाटेकर वेस्टेड.
Farida Jalal.
So,
ब्रो सॉरी,
Farida Jalal is a
फरीदा जलाल इज
and
प्लेइंग
Jalal is the villain's name also.
जमाल है ना शायद.
Oh, जमाल है
है.
क्या?
मुझे यार याद नहीं.
Let us know. Let us know in the comments if you remember. the
Dude,
name.
unnecessary abuses, and they've beeped the abuses.
Oh,
and-
so the point भी नहीं है उसका.
Bro, and ऊपर से for some reason they think कि भाई
Yeah.
मैं BC बोलने की जगह अगर मैं मतलब मैं क्यों BC बोल रहा हूँ, बट लाइक मैं बोलने की
तुम्हारा भी
जगह
beep होता है.
हाँ हमारा भी तो बीफ होता है. हाँ. इसलिए कि
Yeah,
अगर
Jalal.
मैं-
His name is Jalal.
जलाल ना. हाँ ठीक है.
Farida Jalal and the villain's name is Jalal.
तो अगर मतलब उस मूवी में उन्होंने जहाँ पे शाहिद कपूर बोल रहा है उन्होंने बीप करके डाल दिया. लाइक देव रीडब्ड को उन्होंने डब कर दिया, एंड वो स्क्रीन पे बोल रहा है पीछे से, अरे भाई मतलब अगर तुम्हें गाली देनी ही थी.
Also, seems like a worse gali than. That doesn't make sense. That's like beeping stupid and putting in fuckface.
it's like dude, the thing is कि either अगर तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारी गालियां सेंसर होने वाली हैं, जैसे द सेम प्रॉब्लम वाज विद धुरंधर, राइट. सिनेमा हॉल में गालियां चल रही हैं, वो नेटफ्लिक्स पे सेंसर कर दी हैं.
What is the logic?
गालियां नहीं सेंसर की है, सिर्फ जब उन्होंने बलोच या
नहीं, कुछ
बलोची
गालियां-
बोला है
कुछ
तो
भाई मैंने
censor
अभी
की है.
देखी है, परसों
गालियां
देखी है मैंने
ओ,
धुरंधर.
अच्छा गालियां भी सेंसर.
हाँ है ही नहीं,
अच्छा.
तो वो
वो
म्यूट हो
बोलता है
गए
ना,
हैं.
अक्सर ना, इधर आप कि जब वो हक करता है उसको
हाँ, वो
that's-
भी-
तो
that's-
that's just बहन
that's-
इधर आ बहन
इधर आप
नेटफ्लिक्स
इधर
पे
आप
क्या से बीप हो रही है चीजें जब इंग्लिश टेलीविजन
also it's already not an A-rated movie.
भाई also Netflix आप भूल गए हो सेक्रेड गेम्स है आपके
मतलब
हाँ,
क्या
correct.
नेटफ्लिक्स
Why are we going backwards,
प्राइम
dude?
पे मिर्जापुर है, गालियां बहती हैं गंगा की तरह वहां
हाँ,
पे। How are you
yeah.
beeping गाली?
Correct.
या तो डालो ही मत ना फिर मतलब क्योंकि फिर वो वियर्ड
फिर
लगता
वो
है
मूड
Correct.
खराब
फिर वो
हो
weird
जाता
लगता
है।
है।
हाँ।
Correct, absolutely.
बताओ advocating the use of abuses on the podcast
No,
नहीं,
not
but-
really. But if you are using
Yeah,
it, then
of
show it to
course.
us, or don't use it. फिर ऐसा
क्योंकि
है तो
फिर वो
ban ही
impact
कर
भी
दो।
impact
हाँ,
खत्म हो
हाँ।
जाता है,
वो
मुझे दिख
डायलॉग
रहा है।
आधा रह जाता है, फिर समझ रहे हो?
और ऊपर से क्योंकि तुमने म्यूट करी है तो वो 5 milliseconds is just mute
Yeah, so it sounds even weirder.
it's weird
Apparently Netflix पे तो कलर ग्रेडिंग
भी
भी
खराब हो
गलत
गई
थी
है
धुरंधर
की।
की।
हाँ, पर उन्होंने ठीक किया अब तो. I think
की है
that's
क्या?
what-
बट
that's what I heard.
टू लेट बिकॉज नेटफ्लिक्स से हटा लिया है उन्होंने अपना 2. They are not going to release
Yeah,
part
it's
2
on Jio now.
Netflix. It's going to come on Hotstar.
Oh, that's not why. I think they
That's
just
not
gave
the
the
only
better
reason
offer.
why,
I think
but
the only reason is money.
No,
Yeah, I
money
think.
is like 80% of the reason,
Yeah,
but that is also a reason
मारे,
that
मारे, मारे, भाई।
उन्होंने गालियां भी बीप कर दी, कलर भी
Colour
fuck कर
grading
दिया,
खराब कर
तो
दिया, हाँ।
you know they
I
were
was-
pissed.
I don't know why. What's the thinking? Were they required by some censor board to do this, or did they
कैसे
do
हुआ ना भाई
But
कि जब
Netflix पे तो सेंसर बोर्ड है, क्योंकि Netflix पे तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो नहीं
she's
है,
right.
कोई
You're
सेंसर
right.
तो नहीं देख रहा
You
उसको.
are right. I don't know why this. It's a weird decision. Maybe the filmmaker's decision or something. I don't know.
पता नहीं
Then
क्या है
it's
क्या नहीं है
foolish.
Yeah, it is.
I
But
don't think
ठीक है।
filmmaker would want to beep his own movie.
Let
ब्रो
us know if you know what
और
happens.
इज इट अ पीक डिटेलिंग बाय आदित्य धार मोमेंट कि उसने नेटफ्लिक्स पे खराब कर दिया ताकि
लोग
जब
theatre
धुरंधर
जाए।
2 आए तो पीपल आर लाइक ब्रो नेटफ्लिक्स तो खराब कर देगा
बस
लेट्स
हाँ,
जस्ट गो
अभी
एंड वॉच इट इन द
हम-
थिएटर्स पीक डिटेलिंग बाय आदित्य धार
Big detailing, you mean? Like it's a tactic.
या
Please, इस मूवी के बाद आदित्य धार को ऐसे भगवान घोषित कर दिया गया है कि
आर यू नॉट अवेयर ऑफ
ये
दिस
गलत है,
ट्रेंड
बट वो डिटेलिंग थी.
आर यू नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दिस
Yeah,
ट्रेंड द
or
पीक
you should
डिटेलिंग
see
बाय
on
आदित्य धार
Reddit.
सो ब्रो अब बीच में जो धुरंधर की लोग तारीफ कर रहे थे तो वो जेन्युइनली तारीफ कर रहे थे
कि जैसे उसने वीडियो डिलीट किया अगर उसके सामने अपने ससुर जी के सामने, तो अगला पिक्चर जो डिलीट होके जो दूसरा वो गन्स का आया,
हाँ,
तो पीक
तो पीक डिटेलिंग मतलब like कि उसने बहुत ही डिटेल से
Thought
पिक्चर
इसके
बनाई
बाद,
हाँ
हाँ,
ठीक है
हाँ।
फिर उसके बाद वो
तो है।
इतना बढ़ गया दैट पीपल टर्न्ड इट इनटू
Everything. Everything is peak
ठीक है
detailing.
तो
Nice,
इट्स
nice,
लाइक अगर
nice.
आप चल रहे हो तो
Yeah, I saw
सामने
this.
रेड लाइट और ग्रीन लाइट दोनों है तो लाइक पीक डिटेलिंग बात
हाँ.
so that is what is happening dude there was this one fucking meme screenshot from the film Salam Namaste I feel
Okay.
Salam Namaste is Saif Ali Khan and Preeti Zinta right
Yeah.
तो उसके अंदर सैफ अली खान इज वेयरिंग अ फकिंग टैंक टॉप ऑफ सॉर्ट्स जिसपे एप्स्टीन लिखा है ब्रो
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
दैट्स क्रेजी एंड उस मीम के ऊपर लिखा हुआ था कि पीक डिटेलिंग में ब्रो if I can find that meme bro that would be
dude.
so cool if I can find that meme right now
Saif Ali Khan Epstein. Just type कर कुछ तो आ ही जाएगा.
oh bro that was and like so a friend of mine
कुछ तो आ ही
shared that
जाएगा.
bro this if you guys can see the meme
We'll put it.
yeah
on
we'll
screen,
put it see
Yeah. and
What do you
there's a
say?
football. What is this? Is there another football player named Epstein?
Epstein.
I don't know.
Wow, dude. What a thing, dude. What a thing.
हो सकता है अब ये edited हो actually
नहीं,
because
नहीं.
why would you
Why would you edit in Salam Namaste that specific movie?
Bro, last episode we were talking about some possibility of
अरे
being on Epstein
ये आ
files
गए
list.
हम,
Hey,
आ गए
hey,
हम
बस, हाँ,
theory.
बस.
this thing. It's a theory, dude.
Conspirators आ गए
मैं
हम.
अभी एक्चुअली मैं एक रेडिट पे देख रहा था लाइक दिस इज सच a dream run for all the conspiracy theorists right
Yeah,
now
dude.
Run
Dude,
away.
at this point, you can't blanket say no to any conspiracy
anything
theory.
yeah dude
Now everything is kind of believable because all this shit has come
भाई,
out
आज
as believable.
कल सुबह इसने बोल दिया ट्रम्प ने ही इज लाइक कि इनफ ऑफ एप्स्टीन फाइल्स नाउ आई विल रिलीज एलियन फाइल्स
Oh, you know what that happened? Obama was on a podcast.
Oh, yeah,
on
of course,
Brian,
of course.
Brian Taylor, something. Brian
and
Tyler, something
he said that
called.
I believe in aliens
This is the opening of the podcast, by the
Yeah.
way. He said, "Ke what was are aliens real?" And Obama's like, "Yes." So, oh no. And what was the number one thing you asked your FBI or whatever when you got elected president. He was like, "Are aliens real?" And essentially, Obama was saying, "Yes, aliens are real." Anywho, what else do we have to talk about? Oh, Romeo, in general, finishing it off, would you recommend people watch it? Or would you wait for OTT to watch it? Or would you like...
OTT पे तो I think उतनी नहीं फटेगी ये फिल्म.
Okay, and is it skippable as a movie?
Of course, it's skippable.
यार मेरा ज़मीर नहीं मानेगा उसको स्किपेबल बोलने में यार.
है अभी तो क्या कर सकते हैं.
यार फॉर सम रीजन मुझे अभी भी आई थिंक पूरी तरीके से नेगेटिव तो मैं नहीं ही बोलना चाहूंगा उसको.
ठीक है, but it's not
मतलब
nearly as good as you wanted to be, no?
Of course, not at all. मतलब I would have wanted it to be like the best collaboration of Shahid and VB.
Right.
If not the best, at least at par with the past
At
movies
par,
that
of
they
course,
have
yes.
done.
That's fair. So yeah, that was our takes on Tu Ya Main and Oh Romeo. Bringing us to the end of this episode, we talked a lot about various
Crocodile,
things.
yeah.
Crocodiles and movie budgets and Hrithik asking for extravagant things,
Yeah.
apparently. Let us know what you think, man. Is there anything crazy that's going on in Bollywood that you would like to hear us talk about? What do you think of Tu Ya Main? What do you think of Oh Romeo? What movies coming up in 2026 are you excited about? All of that and more, we will have to know more about from you. As we end this episode, please check out some of the other content that I'm doing. That Filmy Game Show. We are releasing an episode with Sumugi Suresh and Prasasti Singh sometime this week. And Popcorn तो देख ही रहे हो. Check out Spend a Bender.
भाई के लाइव शोज पे आया करो, बहुत फन है. मैंने अभी उर्जिता वाला
Ujita and Hussain, we just recorded an episode yesterday.
yes,
We're recording this.
I attended that. Very fun.
Damn, ball of fun.
बहुत fun था,
that
बहुत
was
fun
damn
था,
fun. Dude.
बहुत
Wow,
fun
I
था.
think that's
Please
one of the
attend the
strongest episodes.
shows, guys. Come on.
Please come for the live shows and yeah, make them bigger and bigger and bigger because we see a lot of wild shit on the lives that get cut out in the final
हाँ.
episode.
And
so, yeah.
भाई हर लाइव शो के एंड में बोलता है, see you guys next week. But then it's almost like see you guys next month.
Yeah, you know how it is. Right?
Or the month after.
Or the month after. Maybe next year. You never know. So if you want to catch an episode in a timely manner, come to the live. Dude.
Yeah. If you actually want to catch the show every week,
Yeah,
come
dude,
for the
come to the
live.
live, dude. That's what it is. Well, lives happen every week. This is a release hoya now.
हाँ, but they
Recording every
happen
week.
though.
Yeah. That's it from my end. Say anything?
नहीं यार, just the fact that please follow the channel, please subscribe the channel.
Please
Members.
subscribe, please.
यार हमारा subscriber
अभी
count
subscribe
बहुत
Dude, by the way,
नीचे चला
we'll
गया
put
है.
it here. Okay,
Is there stats कि
There is
कितने
stats.
लोग देख रहे हैं और subscribe
Dude, there are
नहीं
like
कर रहे हैं?
only like about less than 30% of people who listen to us
Please,
and watch us are
अभी
actually
click
subscribed.
करो, अभी click करो, जल्दी.
Only 30% is actually subscribed. The rest are not subscribed. So please, we'll put that stat here and
दोस्तों,
fucking subscribe, dude.
Please,
Subscribe. We
guys,
need this.
देखो,
We need you.
कब
That's
तक
the only way.
underrated रहेंगे, कब तक?
आपका
Yeah.
सब्सक्राइब दबाने में कुछ जाएगा नहीं.
Yeah.
हमें थोड़ा फायदा हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
Please,
yeah.
guys, please.
Also, hype our videos. Please leave a nice comment if you enjoyed the episode. All of these things help us basically beat the algorithm and reach more people.
Yeah.
That's just it. Kirti, anything before we end?
No, subscribe, guys, please.
Please subscribe. All right. See you next week. Bye bye. Okay, cut.